Hey babes, so pretty much this video is going to be about a DIY on how to do Kim Kardashian's Skims Cozy collection. A lot of people have been ranting and raving about wanting to get a hand on one of these cute little sets, but unfortunately she's sold out or the price is just incredibly too high for my love's budgets. So I'm coming at you guys with a cute little DIY on how you can create your own. I actually found a similar fabric to hers, so it will be quality and cute and just as comfortable as hers, so you guys can make your own. So stay tuned. So as you can see, I just literally use things out of my closet that I like how they fit. The wide leg pants I no longer wear anymore, so I just cut the crotch seam and use it as a pattern. The crotch seam across was 26 inches, so my pant length was 44 inches. Honestly, if you're taller, you can make them as long as you want them. Also, just trace your tank top and your shorts to however, you know, the length. Here I'm just showing you guys the width of my shoulders because that's how wide I want my desired robe to be. So that's how I equated it.
I said don't think about it. She took me out of my place, but I stay in my zone.
So I accidentally totally just blocked out the view of the camera, but right here I'm just cutting down the middle of the robe piece that goes in the front. I believe the width of my robe was like about 18 inches, and then I literally just, you know, had two pieces of fabric laid down flat and just cut the middle of one and then cut the side of it. But yeah, it's fairly easy. So once I cut the side of the robe, I literally just cut like the armhole out, so you can have a, you know, the desired like curvature, so you can put your actual armholes in and it won't be like a problem for you.
It's all big, man, I ain't dissing on Tupac, just East Coast, all East Coast, these young bloods don't know better.
Okay, so I'm literally like a guesstimation designer and I know my like measurements and stuff by heart, and just off the strength of me doing stuff from so long, I kind of can eyeball stuff. So don't do this at home if you're a beginner sewer. Definitely measure out your pieces. I think my full arm length of this arm sleeve or arm pattern was about 24 in length and then 18 inches around my shoulder. So yeah. These were actual scraps of fabric, like I was trying to finesse because I didn't even intend to make as many pieces as I did, but I got really inspired and I was like, what the hey, let's just go ahead and make the whole shebang.
But I'm dead inside. Kill my vibes, it was genocide. Hard to act like I've been alive. I'm trying to find where I identify. One time for the girl that got away, 2 times for the bub I'm about to spray, 3 times for the power that I pray to. Are you up there? Can you hear me? I know I fucked up, it's clear, see. I'm 22 but I don't act like it clearly. And all this shit is a mirage. I'm just rapping for a cause, the life, the fame, the life's the game. We break the laws, don't like to change. Wanna win you back, but I hate to lose. I know that you're the one, but it's hard to choose. In my red cup. Remember first day you wouldn't give it up. We had only scratched the surface.
Okay, so this video is like all over the place because I forgot to show you guys me filming it. But you kind of get the gist. I'll show you guys where I made the seams or whatever at the end of the video. So yeah, this is just me placing them together because I'm a visual person and I can't seem to understand like things unless I see it put together. So I'm just placing the pattern pieces where they would go.
I'm not the average guy. It's just my flaws that they magnify. And when it's real, you don't have to try. Another way, tomorrow is another day. Joys take the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away. I wish there was another way. Tomorrow is another day. Joys take the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away.
First up is the tank top. I think it was so cute. It was really comfy and it did exactly what I needed it to do. It was actually perfect. It looked as similar as the Skims outfit as I could possibly get, and I loved it. So here are the shorts. I love the shorts. I didn't even show you guys me making the pattern of the shorts simply because I forgot. But the shorts were super simple. I just added a waistband and I cut out like the, I guess, short leg or pant leg. I don't know how you would say that, but I cut out that and just pretty much mirrored my shorts around the ones that I had. Though the robe I thought would have gave me the hardest time, it actually didn't. It was just like the length, and it was only about, I say 4 to 5 seams, so it wasn't a hard robe at all. It may have been less than that, honestly, if I would have had a little bit more fabric. But yeah, it was super easy and it was so comfortable and long. Like, that's what I was really obsessed about, was the length, and I could have made the length as long as I wanted. So yeah. And then finally, the pants. The pants are really cute and comfortable. Also, I kind of wish I would have made the crotch seam a little higher, just because I felt like they were a little baggy on me. But of course, I'll know that for future reference. But the pants were cute and snuggly. I probably should have made them a little bit longer, but I got the job done. For it to be my first time, I feel like I did fairly well.
If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah, don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl, and I don't know if I'll see you later.
And there you have it. I'm showing you guys pretty much how they look on. They're so cute and so comfortable. I got so many inquiries, like literally I have to make all of these sets next week once the fabric comes in. But I hope you guys have as much success as I had with mine. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you guys' pictures of your knockoff skim sets. But thank you guys for tuning in. Talk to you soon.